Girl, what is all this? Oh my God. Can you move this out the way so we can go? Hurry up, get in, we're gonna be late. You rushing me? Really? Oh, I've been looking for that. Oh, all this filth. Oh my God. What is this? Oh, it smells horrible in here. Did someone die? Oh my God. Oh, get me home.